Welcome to our video on starting and running a successful crafts and DIY studio for families. We'll explore essential resources, including books, podcasts, YouTube videos, AI tools, and courses to help you on this creative journey. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Complete Book of Crafts and DIY Projects for Families by Fiona Hayes offers comprehensive guides for all ages and skill levels, making it a perfect starting point. Another great book is Crafting with Kids by Amanda Kingloff. This book provides over 100 fun and easy projects for kids and their parents, ensuring that everyone in the family can participate and enjoy. Podcasts are another fantastic resource. The Crafting Podcast for Families covers all aspects of crafting and DIY projects, offering tips, techniques, and inspiration to keep your creative juices flowing. YouTube videos can also be incredibly helpful. The Crafting Studio for Families offers practical tips and inspiration through tutorials and resources, making it easier for families to work on projects together. AI tools like Craft Assistant and DIY Genie provide a range of project ideas, tutorials, and resources. These platforms can help you find the perfect project and guide you through each step, making crafting more accessible. Courses are another valuable resource. Starting a crafts and DIY studio for families by Crafting for Families offers practical tips for marketing, operations, and curriculum development, helping you build a successful studio. In summary, these books, podcasts, YouTube videos, AI tools, and courses offer a wealth of information and inspiration. They can help you navigate the challenges and opportunities of running a crafts and DIY studio for families.